Good day. Welcome to another series of Mathematics Just Got Easier with DR Tutors. In today's class, we are going to be taking an example on completing the square method. Let's see what we have on the board. To complete the square for a quadratic equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, you take half of the b coefficient and add or subtract to create, you take half of the b coefficient, then what you do is you square it, so there's an omission here, square it, then you add or subtract the square to create a perfect square trinomial. We can't get the better understanding without taking an example. So let's just solve an example to see what we have. We have this example, x squared plus 6x minus 7 equals 0. The first step is you add the constants to both sides. The constant in this is minus 7. So you have x squared plus 6x minus 7 plus 7 is equals to 0 plus 7. X squared plus 6x minus 7 plus 7 gives 0. So you are left with 0 plus 7, which is 7. Now the next thing is the coefficient of bx is 6 because bx 6x, so b is equals to 6. Okay, the next step is half of 6. So what is the half of 6? Half of 6 is equals to 3. So half of 6 is equals to 3. Now the next step is to add the square of 3 to both sides. So add square of 3 to both sides. That will be x squared plus x squared plus 3 squared is equals to 7 plus 3 squared. So here we have square, so you have x plus 3 square, because the square is common to both sides, is equals to 7 plus 3 square is 9. So x plus 3 square equals 7 plus 9 gives 16, equals 16. So the next step is to take the square root of both sides. So this will be square root of x plus 3 square is equals to, then you put plus or minus square root of 16. So this square root cancel the square. So you have x plus 3 is equals to, now the square root of 16 is 4. So you have plus or minus 4. Good. So x plus 3 is equals to plus 4, or x plus 3 is equals to minus 4. Plus or minus 4. That's what it is. So for here, you subtract 3 from both sides. X plus 3 minus 3 is equals to plus 4 minus 3, which gives x plus 3 minus 3 is 0, plus 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. So x equals 1. Or, and for here, you add, you subtract 3 from both sides, because it's plus 3 you have here. X plus 3 minus 3 is equals to minus 4 minus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 gives 0. So you have x minus 4 minus 3 will give negative 7. Negative 7. So the roots of the equation, we have x equals 1 or x equals negative 7. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.